What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, I would like to take a live trade, yeah? I'm not sure if the setup will represent itself because, today is 4th of July and obviously, there is not that much volume in the market. But still, yeah, I do see here a beautiful setup, yeah? But I'm not sure if the actual entry we're gonna represent. Let me just show that to you real quick. So how you can see, guys, is very beautiful. It's very beautiful setup, yeah. The price action moved down. They took like the London low. Right now he trying to make his move back up and to take those highs. The reason why, because it's like double top and usually the price action likes to go on that side. So if the price action from here was gonna pull back a little bit to my entry, and then from here I expecting the price action to take both highs. Very simple. So yeah, guys, unfortunately the target was hidden, but the entry still wasn't provided. So it is what it is. There's nothing to be pissed about it. It just wasn't a day of trading, yeah. But to be honest, recently I was watching some videos, yeah, about flipping accounts, yeah, and I realized that those guys, everything is actually a scam, though. I'm gonna explain what I mean by that. It's just because the way how I'm seeing, yeah, people saying like, yeah, I flip like $100 account, yeah, to wherever, yeah, like to 500 or 300. But essentially, what they're doing is they just every single time they depositing money into their bank account. So basically, to be able to flip the accounts, yeah, you guys better be profitable 100%. I mean, like not 100%, but at least to make sure you're profitable in this game. The reason why I'm saying that is because you can deposit like $1,000 and you can, for example, risk like 10%. 10%, which is gonna be $100 out of your account, yeah. And obviously, you can say like, I flipped like $100 to $300. So everybody watching, like, everybody watching your video, and they keep thinking like, oh my gosh, this guy flipping account so easy, yeah. And also, don't forget about it. People always showing you only the flipped accounts that has been successful, yeah. They're never telling you that before they flip like $100 into $300, they lost 20 accounts before that, yeah. So which is $2,000. So basically, yeah, in trading, to make money, you basically have to be profitable. It's nothing to do with flipping accounts, yeah. People, they keep thinking like, yeah, I'm gonna flip the account and do all this and that, yeah. But they just don't know what they're talking about, because flipping accounts is the same thing. You could risk like every single time $100 instead of depositing $100 every time, yeah. And a lot of you are gonna tell me like, yeah, but they just can, like usual those videos when you're seeing like $100 account, yeah, and they keep pressing buy until it goes like the margin is gone and they just losing the account, yeah. It's the same thing. You could just literally say like, okay, I'm gonna risk 10% from $1,000, and that's gonna be the same thing. Like you're just gonna open like 10 position, yeah, by 1%. So what's the reason of those flipping accounts? It just makes your job to do like more harder, yeah. Instead you to have on your account like $1,000 and risking like $100 every single trade, you better like just keep depositing every single day like by $100 on your bank account. That's nonsense to me. But I really want to hear you guys like what you think about that, because to be honest, when I was checking that, it just, I don't understand like why people they tryna sell courses how to flip the accounts if that's basically what they're doing. They just have $1,000. It's just not on their account. It's just on their bank account, and they keep depositing every single day by $100. And also people who can, flip like $1,000 that means they go into their bank account like $100, and that's like still 10% of everything what they got. So that's funny for those people who believe like in those flips. The only thing what they do is just random trying to win and get a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, yeah. So think about it, guys. Don't think like somebody's gonna be more smart and we're gonna flip the accounts, because at the end you're still gonna risk whoever you can risk. So if you don't have enough money, just put like, for example, $100 and keep trying to trade, yeah. Keep trying to trade, you know, gain the experience, and you will see what's all about. You feel me? And instead of just try to flip the accounts, yeah, I would say better deposit $100. If, for example, you don't have more than that, yeah, you can deposit $100, but before start trading, yeah, make sure you're at least profitable, yeah. Trying to get like 100 trades 1-to-1, see the results, yeah. Most likely you're gonna be a break-even trader. Just try to deposit like $100, yeah, and every single month risk $1 per trade. At least if you can, okay, put it like $300, and try to not to flip the account, but just try to risk like 1% on every single trade, yeah. And at the end of the month, when you're gonna get paid like your salary or wherever, 25% just add into your account, into your trading account, and keep risking 1%. Because if you're gonna keep auditing, yeah, you're gonna flip the accounts by auditing. And in the meantime, if you're a profitable trader, yeah, you're gonna keep making more and more money per trade. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, like today you're gonna do $3 per trade, that's 1%, yeah. After 2-3 months, by auditing every single month, you're gonna make like not 3% per trade, but $5, $6, $10 per trade. So you're gonna keep growing, and that's how you're gonna grow your account. It's not like I'm gonna deposit $100 and just gonna flip it to 500 or 5,000. That's just nonsense to me. Don't try to do all this bullshit, because at the end of the day, trading is all about professional people, discipline, and keep consistent. So yeah, guys, make sure you're gonna like this video, comment if you do have any questions about flipping accounts, and as usual, guys, see you on my next one. Cheers, guys. Peace and love. I'm out.